Siyavusela emakhosini. This is the power of healing with Uthabi. Ungowekhethelo. Today ngizoya straight to the point. Bengicela ningifundise bafowethu. Angithi amadoda athi siyadodisana, so thina abafazi sithini siyafazisana. But anyway, ngicela ningisize. Ningifundise mhlawumbe yimi odinga imfundo la ne. Yimi onengqondo encane. You know when people speak about the easy way out, yeah, you know when people speak about the easy way out, umuntu angayenzi research, umuntu zama ukuthola ezinye indlela, umuntu angafuni ukusolve i-problem ngendlela different or angafuni ukuzwa bese asolve i-problem, instead uzofuna i-easy way out. I saw a video yase-FNB ne where i-SNDF namaphoyisa nama-security companies have been deployed ne this morning. And my question was, le ncwadi besilibe siyifunda lama-movie siwabukela of isikhathi sika-1976 ukuthi kwayenzakalani, beyifundwa yithi kuphela or bezenzelwe yithina kuphela mhlawumbe i-generation after that? Ngoba I'm failing to understand ukuthi abaphathi abasiphethe manje kule nhlangano le enye, le nhlangano yethu yase-South Africa, labaphathi abasiphethe bathi basiphethe bacabanga ukuthi le idea yabo yamanje, le solution abayikhiphe manje, the resolution abayikhiphe manje, le government yakudala emhlophe bengayicabanga. That's why I get puzzled ukuthi shuthi kubo ama-results azoba different na. That's what they are hoping for. Ngoba ngiyacabanga ukuthi nangalesa sikhathi bayizama le mizamo, kanti abantu sebekhathele, abantu abasafuna ukuzwa lutho. So i-question yami, and mhlawumbe yimodoma, ukuthi so kubo izosebenza ngendlela ehlukile. No, mina I don't know. You know, inkosi usually would have ama-elders advisayo kwezinye le yona bekunama-advisors was research made, babuza bake baba kule situation ngoba ungayenza into efanayo nento eyayenziwa ngalesa sikhathi ayizange turn out right, uphinde wena uyonyathela kulezo inyathelo. Yinto angazi guys, because engikwazi ukuthi bona abanye babo ngaleso sikhathi bebaboshiwe, if bebaboshiwe or bebebalekile, you know, into exile. So I'm trying to understand ukuthi lo muntu bekaba advisor uke wayenza yini research or yithi esenza research before wenza into, or ngoba iyangixaka guys ukuthi, and bese ngixakwa nayo le fact yokuthi I think bekunekhathi lapho sibona, and especially ku Sarafina, right, when Sarafina was scripted, the very same people ababe babiza ukuthi bazovimba lento bahlala emphakathini, baneyingane emphakathini, baneyintombi abayishelayo emphakathini. It didn't turn out right for them. Yes, I know it was somebody scripting a movie, but it didn't turn out right for them. So now my question is, did anyone think or ikuvele nje or imali yeseyingqondweni ukuthi okay asikhipheni u-600 million, 600,000 million, azange kube imali iqale phambili and then okunye kweze move or qala okunye kweze imali emove, angazi, kodwa into engiyibukayo ukuthi kusuke kwaqale the way ingqondo seyigcwele imali, qala imali phambili, kuqale kwaba imali phambili. So ngiyazibuza ukuthi if people are agitated ngempela ngalesimo, wena wenza i-strategy sakudala, action without planning is a problem. Without proper planning is a problem. Ngoba manje man, yimi mhlawumbe odom yazi. I just wanted to know guys ukuthi yimi odom or yimi ongacabangi, because ngibona nje confusion, because then you don't know who's going to retaliate, ne? And now wena usebenzisa iy'ndlela zakudala, or are they hoping ukuthi lesimo sibe bad? Ba-exaggerate kakhulu man, ba-exaggerate kakhulu. Yazini, yabona uma kuthiwa umuntu akawathestanga amanzi uvele wangena nje emanzini, kushiwo bona. Mawuthela amanzi bese awuwezwa ngesandla uvele ungene ngomzimba wonke, kushiwo bona. Yo, but anyway, maybe yimi odom.